In front of you, you can see Excel, and if you look to here, you'll note that Copilot is in full color, telling us that Copilot is currently enabled, currently switched on to be used within Excel. But it could be the case that you wish to have it disabled. The process to disable Copilot is straightforward. Let's have a look at the following steps. Click onto File. Come down here to where it says Options, and this dialog box will appear. Choose Copilot. You'll note there's a tick in this box. Click onto it to remove the tick, and then come here and click onto OK. And now you will note here that Copilot is grayed out, informing you that Copilot is now disabled